Hey guys, welcome to our video. So I hope you all are doing great and safe at your home. So today's video is about cinnamon and cinnamon tea. In this video, I will be discussing with you few benefits of cinnamon and how you can make cinnamon tea, which is considered to be a great immunity boosting drink. Also, it can help you to lose weight. So let's start the video. Hey guys, do you know that cinnamon stick which we use in our food to add that extra flavor and aroma and which is considered to be precious and most expensive spice across the world is 2000 years old? Yes, you heard it correct. Cinnamon is considered to be one of the oldest spice across the world. Now let's talk about the benefit of cinnamon. Cinnamon is a spice which has so many medicinal properties. Though it is used for adding that extra flavor and aroma in food, cinnamon is also antibacterial, antifungal and antiviral. The bark, which are called as cinnamon stick, contains a cinnamaldehyde which helps to protect the body from several kinds of disease. The antioxidants found in cinnamon may help us to protect our body from bad fungus and bad bacteria. Further in this video, I will be showing you how you can prepare cinnamon tea with help of cinnamon barks and cinnamon powder. Cinnamon tea, which helps in reducing weight and has anti-aging properties. Anyone looking to reduce weight with help of cinnamon tea can consume cinnamon tea twice in a day, but under your doctor's consultation. Simultaneously, cinnamon tea helps in maintaining blood sugar levels and is very good for healthy heart. Cinnamon tea has anti-cancer agents and it is a great way of improving the digestive imbalances. To prepare good quality of cinnamon tea, you need good quality of cinnamon sticks. So here I will be recommending you to use such kind of cinnamon sticks because cinnamon sticks are available in various quality and sizes. But these kind of cinnamon sticks are very good in oil content. Simultaneously, they are produced from the first layer of cinnamon bark. So anytime you're making cinnamon tea or using cinnamon in your food, you should always use such kind of cinnamon sticks. So now let's prepare cinnamon tea. For preparing this tea, you require 1 cup of water in vessel and keep it for boil. Now here when the water comes to boil, add cinnamon stick and cinnamon powder. Now here cinnamon powder is optional. If you do not have cinnamon powder, you can only add cinnamon stick, even that will do. Also, after putting cinnamon stick and cinnamon powder, keep the water on gas at least for 5 minutes and let it boil properly. So while the water is boiling, you will see that there is a change in color. So let the cinnamon stick and cinnamon powder release its color and flavor in the water. And after 5 minutes, close the gas. And here is healthy cinnamon tea all set to drink. So guys, if you like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also do not forget to leave in your feedback in the comment section. This is Vibha signing off. Thank you for watching.